Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 12th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla, fantastic. It's up $4.74, 1.58%. Post-market, we are up by 31 cents. Let's look at what we have here. Basically, after the break of this downward resistance right here, with a good stochastic over 60, which we have the 69, then Tesla is doing what it's supposed to do, which is continue its move until it's going to find a resistance upon which it's going to cave into. And we never know which resistance it is going to be. We have an idea that most likely it is going to be this one here, but it could be also 314.17. And how we can assess the probability of a resistance stopping a move is that we can look at the number of times that resistance has been touched. This one has been touched often, and it has been in effect for a long time, so since May. Whereas a resistance like this one right here at 299 or close to 300 was just a very short-term resistance because it was not in play a long time and it was touched here a couple of times. This one here at 314 is a little bit more important because it has been touched by two nice big tops right here, and it has been in place since August. So this is how we can assess a little bit. But basically, if we are on the current, we are surfers and we are riding a wave, we are going to ride the wave until the wave breaks. And if the wave never breaks, we are never going to go out. So with technical analysis, and if you are following the trend, you should not get out of a stock because, oh, it has doubled, I'm going to get out. If the trend is still nice, you stay in it. So it's not a matter of looking at the numbers, it's looking at the trend. So a trend can last a long time. And Tesla is a great example of that because Tesla went up for a very long time. And it was not a good idea to sell at some point at an arbitrary point, just saying the PE ratio is quite high and the stock doubled, so I should get out. It did a 10x. Let your winners ride. Let them ride. If you want to sell near to the top and you entered on the daily chart, you can get out of the stock on the hourly chart, which is a little bit more precise. If it's coming down on the hourly chart, you could decide to get out. It could still go back up because the hourly chart has a little bit more ups and downs than the daily chart. But if you want to get out at some point, at least this is the kosher way of getting out, using a technical analysis signal instead of a non-technical analysis criterion, which is, well, the stock has doubled, the PE ratio is too high. We need to be consistent a little bit in our philosophy. Okay, so let me go back to Tesla right here. The rant is over. Yeah, so it's still going up. Let's just enjoy this. There's nothing else that we want to do. Let's just ride this pony to the horizon. Let me look at the 1 hour chart briefly. So this is the first hour of the day. So we have a little bit of a gap up right here. A gap up signifies that the stock is strong. You know, the price is not moving in a linear fashion. It gaps up. So this is nice. So nice first hour. Then we have a little bit of a pullback, and we did not even pull back to where we were at the beginning of the day, and we are plateauing here a little bit. We still have a very strong stochastic. With a strong stochastic like this, even if I buy the stock on the daily chart, I would never sell. I would sell if the hourly chart goes down, but then I would also look for a support, and if there's a support not too far away, I'm gonna still wait for that support before getting out and cashing my profit. But when something is great like this on the 1 hour chart, everything is super great. Also on the daily chart, stochastic is climbing, it's at 79. MACD has broken over bullish, so we now have our green thumb up, our second green thumb up. So everything is super great, and we are still quite a ways away from resistance. There's a resistance at 315, and there's this one right here, and then this one right here. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, and we have all of our indicators right here. So we cannot complain at all. We can just enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.